Hey there! Here we are for the written tutorial on this Outschool application for Section 3. All my links are down below. If you're thinking about applying or if you've been denied, please consider using my referral link. You can merge your emails later, so don't worry about using a new email to reapply. But anyways, we are talking about Section 3. If you've missed Section 1 and 2, go on back to the playlist and find those ones. And this is 3 of 4. So there's actually going to be 5 because of the class section. But anyway, let's get to Section 3. Section 3 reads optional online profiles. Do you have a professional website, Facebook, or LinkedIn profile that helps describe your experience and expertise? Share it here with us. Okay, so this section, I personally think I left it blank. And if I didn't leave it blank, I only put my LinkedIn on there, which I never use. I haven't updated in a long time. So, but think about this section very carefully if you choose to list it, because sometimes we can link back to personal, and you don't really want to link it back to your personal. This is specifically to show your professional stuff, right? So if you have a website that you maybe have created, you might share that with a note saying that you created this website. That shows that you have digital technological capabilities that can be useful in class planning and creating visual things that are, eye appealing for the students. And you could also do any of your professional profiles, like a YouTube channel if you are mentoring teachers or teaching classes on a YouTube channel. You could put those on there. If you've started a Facebook page for your organizations, you can do that as well. It shows passion. It shows capabilities making visual digital products, marketing ability. So that's something not to shy away from. But again, if you don't have that stuff, don't worry about it. It's optional. This section is optional, so you can leave it blank. All right, so that's it for Section 3, and we're going on to Section 4.